Hi everyone, I'm going to be reviewing the instructions for this activity on the geography of the Middle East. Please follow along carefully, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment on Google Classroom for your social studies teacher. So, these first few slides are just overviews of where the Middle East is in the world. It's important to note that the Middle East is a region, not a continent or country. And when I say a region, it's an area with different countries in it. And we'll familiarize ourselves with those countries today. On slide 4, are different maps of the Middle East that you will absolutely need for today's lesson because we don't expect you to know where everything already is. These are the maps that you're going to want to click and open, maybe have them open in a different tab so you can reference and find out where different things are. Now let's start on the countries. So you'll see we have a number of countries that we need to label here on the left, and you're actually going to click and drag these little black labels to the correct spot on the map. So for example, Saudi Arabia, it's our first country. I'm going to click and drag it right here because this country right here in this space is Saudi Arabia. Note that all these different lines on this map, on the white spots, white is land, are showing you different boundaries between different countries. So you're going to click and drag all these labels to the correct spots. Some of the smaller countries do have lines for you as well. It's going to get a little crowded in some areas. Just do your best to make it clear which is which. If we go back, we then have to label some bodies of water. You'll see we have rivers, gulfs, and seas. If I was doing this, let's start with the Red Sea. The Red Sea is east of Africa and west of the Arabian Peninsula. So it's actually this long strip of water right here. And again, I know that by looking at maps. If you don't know where these different bodies of water are, please go back to the maps on slide 4 and look for them. The last one you're going to do is physical features, and this is actually going to require you to use the scribble function on Google Drawings. So what you will do is first do the Arabian Desert. What you would do is go to line, go all the way down to scribble, and the Arabian Desert actually takes up most of the Arabian Peninsula. So I am going to draw a big circle, and I know where this is, but you're going to want to reference the map. Just circling where the Arabian Desert is. You can make it a different color. Maybe I'll make it like a tan because it's a desert. Make the line a little thicker. There we go. Now it's nice and clear. The Arabian Desert is within that circle, and then I can even take the label and click and drag it where it's supposed to go. Perfect. It is a little tricky on a trackpad, clicking and dragging, so be patient with yourself. And then the other one you're going to have to label is the Zagros Mountains. Now, friends, once you've done all your clicking and dragging, on the last slide, you have 3 exit ticket questions. Read these carefully and answer in complete sentences. And the last step is you're going to click this link, and you're actually going to play a little country recognition game, just showing that you know where different things are in the Middle East. So you're going to have to enable Flash Player, and then it will name a country, and you just have to click it. Don't stress if you get it wrong the first few times or the first few dozen times. Just do your best, and this is just a way for us to review our countries in the Middle East so that when we start talking about this region, we know where things are. Again, any questions, leave a comment for your social studies teacher. Good luck.